Hi guys, it's my pleasure to have both Yagnesh and Akhil as our speakers, interactive session speakers. They're going to have their session on 9th December between 2:35 p.m. to 3:05 p.m. Yagnesh is senior software architect security at Tietoevry, and Akhil is a lead software architect at Tietoevry. So, but having said that, I would request still them one by one to tell us a little bit more about themselves, if it's okay.
Yes, definitely. Thank you for the introduction, giving us the platform. I'm so myself, Yagneshkumar, working as senior software architect in Tietoevry since 9+ years now, and I'm having 16+ years of total IT experience. And I'm core looking into security. So that's all about me. People quickly. Yep.
Awesome. Akhil?
So, hi, my name is Akhil. I have 10 years of experience in IT. And to talk about, I'm currently working as a lead architect for automation here in Tietoevry. I have experience working on mobile, web, desktop, APIs, and a lot of other areas. Currently working on towards building frameworks for different platforms for same web, desktop, mobile.
Yeah, amazing, guys. So look, guys, we have got this powerhouse duo together with 25+ years of experience. I think 26, 10 plus 16, 26 years of experience. Amazing stuff, and they've got a very interesting topic. And they're going to talk on API connect, empowering automation, safeguarding security, and optimizing CI/CD. Right? Is that correct topic that I have at least mentioned it correctly? Yeah, and it is very interesting. I find it amazing. I think it's very techy and very, very important in today's world. So can you guys give some insight on what is it about and why should people attend it?
I'll give you one liner that will, I'll say, tap the people to come to our session. So API is like onion. It's the layers of security. Okay. And if you do not take it about security and right aspects during the day, you will have to cry, like how you chop the thing.
So yeah, amazing. I think this is something which everybody should remember. Okay, if you guys don't want to cry out loud while doing API and API testing, this is the session that you should be attending. Okay, Akhil, you want to say something on this?
Yeah, we'll teach how to chop the onion.
Amazing. I think we would love to see and love to basically have you chop this API onion, and we would love to have this conversation more. So can I ask you a few more questions if you are okay, right? Though obviously both of you are techies. One of you is doing a lot of automation in almost all kind of platforms, and you are a security expert, Yagnesh, right? So how this combination? What made you combine as a co-speakers?
I will say actually the work about security and automation is relying to each other. It's echoing to, it's giving complement to each other. Like once the automation is done, we can apply security on top of it. So it's like if we have automation up to a certain extent already done, then the security on top of it make it cherry on top of cake, sort of.
Yes. I think he is a chef. He is a master chef for sure. Onions and cherries together makes a great combination. Akhil, you want to add something here?
So Yagnesh has already been part of a lot of conferences, and it's a great learning experience as well. Me as well. And he rightly said, like security and automation and testing goes hand in hand. There are a lot of aspects where we can club it and we can showcase that to a larger audience and not only present our ideas, at the same time, get back from the community as well if we're doing something wrong or if there is scopes for improvement.
Very true. Great. Thank you so much. And just to basically ask you, Yagnesh, you have been a security expert. Any like suggestions for the audience or for the techie community and the testing community? What should they do to get into? I think a lot of people want to get into security. And can you give some advice to them if it's okay to ask?
Definitely. When it's the essential thing that I would say is make your fundamentals strong. I mean, no matter what AI will come, what technology will come tomorrow, if your fundamentals are clear, you will be able to adapt and align yourself to the change that is coming. But if you are not strong at your fundamentals, you will not be able to understand what is going to happen. And you will not be able to adapt and adjust it yourself.
Thank you so much. And the same question in a different format to you, Akhil. You are doing automation across, okay, whether it is web, mobile, anything that we talk about. So how do you basically become an all-rounder? Like everybody wants to be Hardik Pandya, or say for example Glenn Maxwell. You are an all-rounder. So how does one get into that psyche and become an all-rounder like you?
So it's very basic thing which I keep repeating to every one who joins or every time I get to interact. Change is the only constant in IT. So when automation came into picture, people who were in manual thought that their job might be at risk. Manual is still there. Generative AI is in picture. You feel that your job's at risk. The only thing is these are only tools or ways that is going to help you improve. It is not going to take away a job. It's only going to make you expert at what you're doing. So whether it's testing, security, whichever forum you want to go, the only thing is you should be curious enough and to explore. You have to continue learning. It's not like 10th and 12th was the end of your learning for you or your graduation. Learning is going to be part and parcel of your life if you're in IT or to say in any field.
Sure.
Yeah, that's very true. And to add to this, I think people should not miss attending their session, interacting with them, and attend in-person conferences like this. The other way to learn is to make sure that, and this is the best way, the kind of platform that GTR is giving is to make sure that you can interact with so many speakers, so many diverse range of topics. I think they can learn more, right, Akhil?
100%.
So one last question. It is all about, other than work, other than your technology that you like, right? What is the other things in life that make you happy? Like, for example, if somebody asked me, I would say I love cooking, right? And maybe something like that people would like to know on a person's front that we would like to know as well, Yagnesh and Akhil.
For me, it's understanding and studying the nature and wildlife photography. So I often go to forest and try to learn the behavior of animals and the surrounding boundary, how they support each other, how the ecosystem is working in nature. A lot of things that as a human we can learn from them and replicate it, like the aeroplane and a lot of more stuff. So I also go to the forest and understand how they acknowledge each other, how they work together, and then how they are helping to, nurture the entire ecosystem. So that's my hobby.
Very nice. And Akhil, very good. Amazing.
Little towards the mechanical stuff. I love speed. A great bike enthusiast. Owned lot more than what people can imagine. So yeah, little towards fast and furious kind of thing, but with two-wheeler, not a love that thrill.
Very nice. So if I were to buy a bike, maybe I can have a chat with you in the conference and you can guide me, right?
Yes, anytime.
Great. With that note, I would like to thank them. Guys, don't miss out on interacting on security, interacting on technology, interacting on nature, learning photography with Yagnesh, and on speed for 2 bikes, and much more in this conference. Really want to thank you, and we are really grateful to have you as our speakers. Thank you, Yagnesh. Thanks, Akhil.
Thanks for